So here we are wrapping a irrigation drainage project up. As you can see, we ran another ADS pipe out to the front curb area. This leads all the way up to one gutter here, and we actually had to cut the concrete out here. See, we finished that. Put the natural expansion joint in there. And just backfilling some of the irrigation that we've already installed here. You can see some of the heads. And tomorrow we are going to put in the valve boxes, the tie-ins, finish everything up, and tomorrow is going to be a nicely sodded green lawn. So tune in. And here we are, all wrapped up. We're finally complete at this project. Sprinkler system installed. You can see the downspout pipe is right here, concreted to the curb. We have 1.5 inch river rock, and our sod is now getting plenty of water. It's going to need it with these temperatures being mid-80s all week. That's it, List Landscape.